You're tuned in to Popular Cruising and our review of the activities on board the Disney Magic from Disney Cruise Line. Right from the get-go, the Disney Magic invites you with her classic beauty. The new AquaDunk water slide on the upper decks. And classic character tableaus. Just as posters act as the opening credits at Disney theme parks, so too do they preview what's to come at the new kids' facilities on board, like the Mickey Mouse Club and Marvel Avengers Academy, where kids can suit up like their favorite superhero, including Captain America and Iron Man. These brand new spaces truly came out great. Oversized books and Andy's room included, where the Slinky Dog slide is a perfect thematic touch. And the reimagined Oceaneer Lab is a great place for interactivity. Here the theme is playfully inspired by Pirates of the Caribbean. The kids even get their own theater, as well as areas for creating animation, as well as arts and crafts. And rounding it all out are fun video game consoles. For little ones not quite old enough for it yet, there's the It's a Small World nursery. And for tweens that have outgrown both, there's Edge, with its casual dorm room locker decor, and lots of video screens. Teenagers, on the other hand, get a full loft in one of the ship's smokestacks, all to themselves, with an eclectic brickwork aesthetic and spacious lounge to hang out in. And what would such a space be without a disco ball and flat-screen television? And just outside for all ages is Goofy's family pool and funnel vision, and the all-new AquaLab water play area, telling the humorous story of Donald Duck and his three mischievous nephews, Huey, Dewey, and Louie. And above it all is the fresh Twist and Spout slide. In other words, there's absolutely no staying dry here. And that's exactly the point. And for the thrill seekers, it all comes back to the AquaDunk, a more daring version of the AquaDuck on board the Disney Dream and Disney Fantasy. For drier adventures around the pool, the Quartermaster's Arcade is open, as is the Wide World of Sports complex, for table games and court play. And when it's time for those over 18 to wind down, the Cove pool is the perfect adults-only retreat, as is the Senses Spa and Salon for all kinds of pampering. And adult nightlife is found at the newly redesigned After Hours, like keys for wonderful piano music with a Disney twist. Or O'Gill's Pub carried over from the Disney Fantasy. Here you'll find tasty pub snacks, competitive team trivia, and classic board games. Fathoms is equal parts nightclub and cabaret lounge, and features a theme inspired by the sea. And when it's family time again, D-Lounge hosts all kinds of fun game shows. And the colorful space with familiar abstract circles. With plenty of activities on board, there'll be plenty of photos you can buy at Shutters. Similarly, you can peruse and purchase Disney artwork on board, or let the collector in you go wild at the various stores. And although it's easy to do, don't forget about off-board experiences as well. Thanks for joining us on board the newly redesigned Disney Magic. Please now feel free to check out our other Disney Magic reviews, subscribe to our channel, and visit popularcruising.com.